अच्छा हूँ।
क्या हो गया था?
वो ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क कर दिया एंड फटीग हो गया।
गोविंदा के फैंस के लिए है खुशखबरी। गोविंदा हो गए हैं डिस्चार्ज। लेकिन आखिर क्यों हुए थे गोविंदा हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड और उनकी वाइफ सुनीता आहूजा कहाँ थी? आइए जानते हैं। गोविंदा के फ्रेंड ललित बिंदल ने शेयर किया है कि द एक्टर हैज बीन शिफ्टेड टू अ रूम फ्रॉम द इमरजेंसी वार्ड एंड इज डूइंग बेटर। इस सुबह गोविंदा के फैंस को मिली एक बुरी खबर और उन्हें ये पता लगा कि गोविंदा हैज बीन रश्ड टू अ हॉस्पिटल इन मुंबई अर्ली ऑन वेडनेसडे फॉलोइंग अ स्पेल ऑफ disorientation. While the speculation quickly spread online, the actor's close friend and legal advisor Lalit Bindal has now shared an update on Govinda's condition and explaining why his wife Sunita Ahuja was not present with him at that moment. गोविंदा को वेडनेसडे ही क्रिटिकेयर एशिया मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल में लेकर जाया गया and it was Lalit who took Govinda to the hospital after a worried call from the actor. He revealed that Govinda had been feeling weak and uneasy since Tuesday morning. While talking about what led to the hospitalization, Lalit told a media portal, कल दिन में उनको वीकनेस थी एंड देन अचानक से शाम डिसओरिएंटेशन लगा था फॉर अ फ्यू सेकंड्स, अनकॉन्शियस हुए थे। उसके बाद उनके फैमिली डॉक्टर ने उनको फोन पे एक दवाई बताई विच ही टुक। गोविंदा ने लगभग 8:30 से 9 के बीच दवाई ली and then went to rest in his room. Then अचानक से he felt again uneasy, disoriented and weak and felt suffocated around 12 in the night. Following which Govinda called me. I reached his home at 12:15 and after the advice from his doctor took him to the hospital. We took him to the emergency ward where his vitals were checked and he was admitted. He was admitted around 1 a.m. ललित ने गोविंदा के फैंस को ये भी अश्योर कराया है कि अब उन्हें रूम में शिफ्ट कर दिया गया है फ्रॉम द इमरजेंसी वार्ड एंड ही इज डूइंग बेटर। उनका कहना है several tests have been done. Now all his reports are awaited. He is under constant observation. Govinda is resting at the moment. There is no word on discharge yet as the doctors are waiting for the report's result to come and then we'll decide a further course of action. I spoke to Govinda in the morning and he told me that he is feeling better. It was Lalit who accompanied Govinda to the hospital, not his family, which initially raised eyebrows. Clarifying the situation, Lalit shared that Sunita and their daughter Tina were out of town and at the time but have since rushed back to be by his side. उनका कहना था कि Sunita was not in town and had gone for a wedding. She came to Mumbai late at night and is coming to the hospital now. Meanwhile, his daughter Tina was in Chandigarh for some work. She was also on her way back and will be with Govinda by the evening. आपको बता दें Govinda's hospitalization comes just a day after he visited actor Dharmendra who was admitted to the Breach Candy Hospital.